everybody! Hi again! Ba, napapadalas ang live natin ngayon? Hi again! How are you? Okay, hold on a minute. I'm going live with somebody. Just accept na. Where are you, my love? Oh, there! There's my Miel! We're FaceTiming. She's in Manila and I'm here. Hi, sweetie pie! Hi, my baby girl! Hi! Nagpa-FaceTime lang po kami kanina ngayon. Biglang, ayan, ka-live ko na siya. Don't worry. Yung mga hindi makakanood nito, I'm gonna post it again on IG. Eileen left already this afternoon to beat the traffic back to San Diego. And I just got back from dinner with my cousin, my sister Lala Soto Antonio, and her family. Because her daughter goes to school here, college here in LA. And I am just so proud of Mieli. I'm not going to say the school, okay? Miel is graduating from high school this year, and she has been accepted into her dream college. She was just telling me, we were FaceTiming, she was telling Mama, no, mga 2 days pala before I left for the States, she was telling me, Mama, but my dream school is really blah, blah, blah. Okay, I can't say the school, I'm sorry, just for the security of my daughter. And then I said, oh my God, that would be such a, kayang-kaya mo, and you're so good at this. And 2 hours, um, and then we FaceTimed, right? And then about 2 hours after our first FaceTime, pagdating ko dito, she got an email from the school. Apparently, her dream college fell in love with her portfolio and gave her, without her asking, a merit scholarship of thousands of dollars. And I am so proud of you, my daughter. That's my baby girl. That's my youngest girl, Miel. Getting into her dream school. It's a really good school. Here in America also. And yeah, let's just do it when you're, yeah, sure. I mean, when you've decided, because they've decided, the school's decided, and you might change your mind, but I doubt it because it's your dream school. I'm just really proud of you. I have to tell everybody, I'm so proud of my kids. Oh my God. Frankie has 1 year to go, and Miel is graduating from high school this year. How do you feel, Bunny? I have nicknames for my kids, okay? Casey is Tuti, Frankie is Baba, Miel is Bunny, and Miguel is Bubsy, okay? And I'm just baby mama. How do you feel, Yeli?
Ba't naging talk show?
Siyempre! Ano pag-uusapan? No, but how do you feel, honey? Tell them how you feel about... Because, I'm living vicariously through you. I'm reliving my youth through you. These kids keep me young, okay?
It's so, I don't know, because I really didn't think I would get in, and you knew that. I didn't think I would get in.
You always think can I just say, my kids always, because they're, okay, Kaki, they're not entitled. So, and parang they don't expect much. Actually, my kids don't ask for much. You know that, yeah, you're so cute. You don't ask for much. You want ate. And you and Googie. I mean, syempre, Casey's working na. But you guys, you don't ask for much. You're so simple and grounded. And I'm just so proud of the way you've grown up. I'm so proud of you, Yeli. And they always think they are not as good as they actually are. But as their mother, of course, I know how smart my children are and how this girl is also a great writer, like both her sisters. And but she is actually they all draw well, but Miel is the best artist in the family. Oh my God. I'm just so proud of you. I'm just so proud of you. I have to scream it to everybody. I'm sorry. I had to make cuento. So congratulations on that. You make me so proud, my bunny. So how does it, so again, I'm sorry, how does it feel? How does it feel, Lovey? Exciting? Scared?
Yeah,
Are you scared a bit?
very scared.
Why? Why
Because
Bonbon?
I'm taking like a new step, you
New
know. And
chapter.
yeah, a new
Are you
step.
are you a little nervous about being away from Mama for
Obviously,
that long? Really?
I'm like,
But
I'm
Bonnie, I'm an immigrant, so I'll have to negotiate with Dad to maybe come and stay with you and Ate for a while. Just I think I think leaving him would do him a lot of good for a little bit, give him his alone time, and then we can have girl time. But I'm worried about Bubsy. I want to bring him too, because he'll miss you guys. My three younger kids are really so close. You and Ate really take care of Miguel. I'm so proud of that. He's ours, no one else's. What what would you guys do to protect each other? You have to see how close my three babies are. They're, oh my God, the way they protect each other and love each other. These two, Kaki and Yeli, the way they protect Miguel is so amazing. I'm so and the way, oh my God, the way Miguel protects you and sorry, sometimes covers for you and Kaki. It's it's at once very very touching and also annoying because if he has to lie for you, he will. No, pero Baba tuloy. Bunny, I'm so proud of you.
thank you.
Also,
Thank
go ahead, talk naman now. Say hi to everybody.
Hello. I don't know. I'm so nervous. I'm usually live on TikTok, so if you've seen me there, that's probably where you've
Yeah,
seen me.
follow her on
Yeah.
TikTok, please.
I told nga mom, sabi ko nga sa kanya, like, let's go live on my TikTok because,
I can't
you know,
do TikTok without yelling beside me. Hindi ako marunong.
when you
That's the truth.
when you
Kaya
get
hindi ako
home na
makaload.
lang,
Kasi ano nga yung tinuro ni Yeli sa akin?
when you get
Hindi ko
home
alam yung effects.
together.
Alam mo lang, parang boring naman ng TikTok ko. Parang gano'n. Ano ba? Yeli, you help me. Nakaka-TikTok lang ako pag siya yung nagti-TikTok.
No, but yeah, so ako po yung nagti-TikTok na ano. So kung nakita po niyo ako sa For You page mo. Hi, AC. Yeah. So
Yeah, let me also wear my glasses so I can read. Okay.
okay.
Practicality before vanity. Okay.
Mommy,
Okay. Any questions you guys might have for ano?
my TikTok
Drop
account
your
is
TikTok
just
account, please. What
drop.
does drop
Drop.
mean, Miel?
It just means like put like give it.
What is
Mine
it?
is at Ponyo Film.
Ponyo. Miel's TikTok is at Ponyo, Ponyo film. Yung cartoon na Ponyo, kasi that's how we describe her at home. She's like Ponyo. She's my Ponyo. Yung Studio Ghibli na movie. It's a Japanese, ano. And wait, I'll just say hi to Wandering Igorot. Hi! She is in Santorini now in Greece. Oh, I've never been. I would love to go there. Thank you. And hi, Jot Losa! Ate Jot is saying congrats to you, Yeli.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, Jot, I got a lot of designs to send you to make me when I get home. Hello, Shawi Burks Official. They're saying hi to the two of us. They love us. And love to us from Bangkok, Jogs 1989. Melski 23, thank you so much. Edith Ekberg Philsweg. Oh, Sweden! I'm so in love with Sweden. Are you in Stockholm? Yeli, diba? I want to go Scandinavian, then we talk about it. We want to do Sweden and Norway and Finland, right? Diba? We were talking about that. I'm going to go to Lapland, where Santa is.
Someone said, what course are you taking up in college? I'm taking
say that.
illustration with a bachelor degree in the fine arts.
Yes, because she's such a great artist. Do you have any of your work there that you can show them that you just made?
I have my iPad here.
Okay.
And
Okay.
can you just, just put your camera up a bit so we can see the posters right behind you? Okay. No, so they can see. Okay, who's that group?
This is, Mommy, you know.
I
That's
want you to explain. Okay, honey, it's your room.
Wow, this is NCT Dream.
Oh, is that
And
them?
that's
Yeah.
yeah,
Who's that in the middle? Is that Jenna?
that's Jeno, and then that's
Oh, okay.
Sunjin, and
That's
then
why. Different angle. Sorry.
and then
Sorry,
this is
naman.
this is Bomgyu and Kai from TXT.
You like Mia likes TXT also.
Yes.
What about move the camera a little more. Show them a little more, sweetheart. Show them what you got there.
That's also TXT.
Okay, she loves TXT. TXT is like the baby brother group of BTS, diba?
They're from the same company.
Same company. Yeah, they're like the junior BTS.
Yeah.
And then over there
also
is NCT
a little
Dream.
NCT Dream.
And then go ahead.
No, my room is okay. Straight. I'm not gonna show this because it's really messy. Like there's
Honey,
parang,
it's just the wall. It's all right. You're a kid, so they'll understand.
no, like
I don't think they expect your room to be pristine.
Okay.
Okay.
So there's Stray Kids on this wall. Okay, and then there's also Stray Kids on this wall. I need
Where are the 9? Where are the 9?
I don't
And where are the other 7?
have my albums, but I don't have.
Okay, can you tell them who supplies you with all your merch?
Not all. I still buy a lot of my own.
A lot, yeah, but who gives you most of your merch? I just surprised
I also
her.
tell you where to buy them.
Yes. No, but sometimes admit it. You're just, I go, Yelian, something for you. And you're, Mama! Because, I love giving my kids what I know will make them happy. And they're little things. Yung mga posters ng K-pop, CDs na bago, sinusurprise ko si Yeli. Si Frankie, ang bababaw itong mga to eh. Parang, pati pag namili ng damit, hindi humihingi ng malaking pera. Yung parang, alam mo yung mga local brands, or they'll go to, yung mga, hindi sila they don't ask for much. I'm so blessed with, basta, I'm so proud of my kids. Ayun, yan. Ito, anong movie ko daw yung pinaka-memorable para sa akin? For me ba to? Kristen Krill? Ay, lahat sila parang babies ko. Siyempre, Dear Heart, Madrasta, P.S. I Love You, Ngayon at Kailanman, Minsan Minahal Kita. Marami, hindi ko masabi lahat. Ano pa ba? Hindi ibig sabihin yun lang, ang dami lang talaga. Auntie, what did you make to eat today? To eat? What? I went out. Oy, Ninang Jik is here. Did I not tell you anything? Sabi ko sa'yo, tama si Yeli noon pa, kahit ano pa yun. Yung Ninang Jik, kahit anong gawin mo, ikaw ang perfect sa kanya. It's like Mama Lala, who I was just with. Oh, sorry. With whom I was just. Is that more correct? Okay. Oh, we love you too. JLao28. Hi, Lizelle. 0502. I'm sorry. Si Do or Do OXO. We can't tell you what school she's going to. Secret mo na yun. Oo, babalik na ako. Juday Nelmida. Bumalik na daw ako anak sa TikTok. Pag uwi ko kasi nandyan si Ellie. Tuturuan niya ako.
Kasi doon talaga yung mga followers ko sa TikTok.
Right. So
Nasabi
again,
na mag-live tayo.
Oo. So again, Miel's TikTok account is at Ponyo Film. P as in Philippines, O as in N as in November, Y as in Yeli, yesterday, O again, and then film. Forever, in India, love Miel. Okay. Ponyo Film. That's her TikTok. Okay. Platon Lu, your dad was a former security of my dad. Oh my God, that's meaningful to me. Lots of love to you. Oh, Tita Bing Yap says, congrats, Yeli. Hi, Bing. Yan kasi ang anak ni Bing, classmate ni Kaki naman sa high school noon pa, in middle school. Hello to all of you. Ang dami, teka. I am Sax, also from Sweden. Hi there. Oh, look, someone, honey, said we're twinnies. We're twins. Yeah, she's better looking than
No.
me. Mieli got better, ano. Hello to Abu Dhabi. Hello to you dyan sa Abu Dhabi. I am Janet Flores. Tapos si MBO Allow DH. Hi to you sa Kuwait. Tapos ang cute daw Ponyo, they'll follow you.
I wait.
Osaka,
Japan.
Yeli. Tome Mangali is in Osaka, Japan.
Ooh.
We love Osaka, don't we? And Ponyo is a Japanese movie by Studio Ghibli. Alam yan siguro ni Tome kasi taga Japan siya. Yung Studio Ghibli movies like Totoro, di ba?
Kami nandito si
Sorry?
Vice.
Ha? Nasaan, love?
Nandito po, sabi po ni
Sino?
ni Vice, may bigyan mo din siya poster ng Street Boys, please.
Sino nagsabi?
Si Vice.
Vice? Tita Vice?
Yeah, Tita Vice.
Tita Vice is here? Where? I can't
Comment po.
see. Is it really Tita Vice? Is it Private Benjamin?
Yes po.
Oh my God, I can't see it. But ang cute naman, Vicey. Hi, love you. I love you, Vicey. Anong gusto mo, Vicey? Text mo ako. Okay, ano pa ba? Ano ba to? Hindi sabay ang mga natin, comments.
Ito ba?
Bina Nandwani. Hello, Bina. She's my Indian friend, Yeli. You met her when you were small pa. And, I've never been to India. I wanna go to Kerala talaga. So, ayun. Long time no see, Bina. Hope to see you again. Okay. She answered na the course that she's taking up in college. Hello to you, Jen Sack 22 sa Kuala Lumpur. And IJ Nina. Hello to you. And in Instagram, Shai Sharon, watch your Pachanga concert. Oh, thank you. Thank my comedic talent now is also to die for. Miel, am I funny?
Yes.
Me and my kids are funny also. When we're together, we laugh. That's all we do. We laugh and laugh and laugh. Thank you so much. Yes, Regine. Oh God, Regine is amazing. Thank you. We love you both too. We love you too rather. Tata, tita, tata. How cute naman your handle. When po ang guesting kay Tito Boy Abunda News Show from Hunky Stud 007. Hindi pa ako iniimbita. Pag inimbita niya ako, malamang. Tapos, from Cute Ian, he's hoping for another concert sa Melbourne with Regine. I love you too, but tapos na kasi sa amin yung iconic chapter namin. We're moving on to other things. We're just, I think Regine and I, siguro maybe in 2 years or something, we might do a part 2, pero we'll do our own stuff muna. Thank you, April 425. Thank you. You saw my show in Pachanga twice? Yes, thank you so much for that comment. Thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed it. And yes, she is totally amazing. Thank you.
Uy, ma, pupunta po ba kayong The Dream Show 2 in Manila?
Kailan ba?
Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, this April, na na yung tickets?
Oh, Yeli's going. Yeli's going. Of course you're going. I'm kind of, I might have a schedule. So, if I don't, I'm probably going. But Yeli might be in the standing area. Since it's Dream, they're like my babies. We saw them grow up. I have to tell you, ang nagpasok nagpakilala ng K-pop sa akin, si Miel. Wala akong malalaman sa K-pop if not for Miel. Utang na loob ko kay Miel yung K-pop. At utang na loob ko kay Ogie yung K-drama, Ogie Alcacid, dahil sa Goblin. After Goblin, wala na. Addict na ako sa lahat ng K-drama. Pero si Miel ang nag-introduce sa akin sa K-pop. Ang unang-unang group na nakilala ko ay NCT 127 dahil kay Miel. Tapos NCT Dream, naging babies ni Miel yan. We saw them from the very beginning. Kaya yung success nilang pareho ngayon, both Dreams, and NCT 127 successes, we feel like, di ba, Lovey, no? We feel like parang we saw them grow up and you grew
Yeah.
up with them. Oh my God. You keep me young. K-pop keeps me young because of my kids.
Yung NCT bias mo, sino po yung mga biases mo?
Ikaw, Love, sinong bias mo sa Dream?
Alam na nila, ano yung bias mo?
Sabihin mo uli.
Okay.
Sino? I'm already making the letter.
So, my bias is
In
in
Dream.
NCT. In NCT naman.
Okay.
So, kaya naman to. Okay. It's Jeno.
Ayun, Vice Ganda
Yes.
is watching.
Yes.
My Vice, she's watching us. I'm so kilig naman. My Vice is watching. Okay.
It's Jeno. Then, I'm like shy. Okay, Jeno, Johnny, Jimin, Ronjin, and then Ten and Henry. Ikaw ma, your
Sure.
turn.
Really loves Henry. Ako, Jungwoo, syempre. Jungwoo, but he's not my crush. He's my baby, di ba? Tapos, Youngie. Taeyong, syempre. And then, I love everyone in NCT 127, actually. Wala akong Johnny. Don't ever dance in that cage.
Oh!
Oh my God. I embarrass my children when I see that part. Do not do that to a mother who feels like a kid, okay? Do not do that. No, but he's really good. I love Doyoung and Tail. They have amazing voices. I love Jaehyun. He's so flawlessly handsome and he has a great voice too. I love Ten because he's such a great dancer. In Dream, I love all of them because they're my babies. But you know who I especially love in NCT Dream? He's the one I want to adopt.
Wait. Are you thinking of wait? You're like
Sige,
your bebe or your
My bebe.
Hechan.
Actually, I want to adopt Hechan. Actually, also Jungwoo.
Uh-huh.
My Snoopy, my Zeus. I have Snoopy stuff because Jungwoo loves Snoopy. Ang baduy ko talaga. Oh my God. Si Zeus. Zeus pa siya. Zeus Mariosep.
But yeah.
Vicey! Anong gusto mong malaman? Ang cute ni Vicey ko. I'm so kilig that Vice Ganda's watching us. Ano bang
What did
araw
you
dyan? Honey, what day is
Hechan?
it there? Oy, panoorin niyo po lagi ang It's Showtime. Naku, talagang si Vicey ang bumubuhay dyan sa ABS bukod sa ibang mga konting shows pa dyan. Lagi niyo pong ano yan. And yes, Binibining Eda. I'm sorry, Yeli. Taemin is back
Yes!
from military. Yes. Oh, Yeli, I did something this morning I'm so happy about pala. I have to show it to you. Look at my laptop.
Okay. What? Oh my God!
I finally
Wow!
got decals.
Wow! It's
I finally got my decals. And Taemin
so
is
big!
back.
Wow!
Baby cheese is back. Oh my God.
Wow!
Yeah, oh my God.
This is back
Okay.
in my laptop.
Oh my God. At ito super favorite doon ng grandma niyang Forgive and Forget. It's Mrs. RV DAC. Hello to you. Ayan. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Twice is, Liali, we love Twice too, right? We love Twice. Who's your favorite in Twice?
Sana and Nayon.
Yeah, we're the same. We're the same. But your favorite girl group now is...
Fuji.
Yeah. The new one, di ba? Yeah, si Ellie kasi sa kanya ako natututo ng mga K-pop groups. And then you also at one point loved ITZY, di ba? And 80s ba? 80s also? Is that
Yeah, they're
they're all, yeah. Did you ever like Red Velvet?
yeah.
Yeah. I love Blackpink, do you?
I'm like I don't listen to them that much.
Yeah, but I love them, yeah. So I actually, okay, do you like BTS?
I mean I admire them a lot as people, but
Yeah?
I'm not with their music. Yeah.
Why?
What do you mean? Why? I'm scared to talk because
Okay. No, you know what? No, she just means that, okay, I love BTS. I actually love BTS. I know all of them. I know RM is a genius who learned English from friends. I know that J-Hope is the best dancer who learns, choreography the fastest. I love V, especially in Hwarang. You know, Jin is handsome. My favorite in BTS is Jimin. My favorite is Jimin. And Suga is so cute. And but J-Hope is really cute when they talk and all that. So I don't know if I covered all the members, but they're all magaling. So I think Yeli is just so, we grew up kasi with the SM artists. I mean, we grew up ako. My kids grew up with SM artists. So yun yung pinaka-exposed ako sa SM. But ako, I listen to BTS and I love them too. I just can't say honestly that I'm ARMY because I'm a Shawol who loves. I can say I'm also an N-citizen, and I also can say I'm an XOL, but I'm really a Shawol.
yeah.
I don't know why. Kanya-kanya yan eh.
I'm
But I can't say ARMY because I'm not gonna, I would watch a BTS concert for sure. But parang kanya-kanya, ako SHINee, I don't know why.
No, yeah.
I just wish they were still,
Yun ang tawag,
five.
yun yung tawag na alt group.
Yeah.
Hi, Mindoro. Hi, Australia. You know what, honey? I want to go back to Sydney and give them the perfect show.
My friends are in Melbourne right now.
Really? Which one? The Macy's? Your friends?
Visiting Ika, yeah.
Oh, okay. Kasi may group siya, Macy's. Initials nila yun since grade school. Na every birthday. Sorry? Since kindergarten.
Most kindergarten, yeah.
Na parang, ilan kayo, Lavi? How many are you in Macy's?
Sometimes 5, sometimes 6.
Yeah, kasi every birthday of Miel, they all have a sleepover. Minsan sa bahay namin, minsan sa hotel. So, it's so cute. Ano yan? Ano yung tungkol sa'yo? Sabi ni Jen S. Leia, is that a new song? I-google ko nga yan. Yan no, hanapin ko yan. Ayan. Ano ba mga bagong kanta ngayon?
Somebody asked me, what's your favorite NCT 127 song?
You or me?
You.
Okay, you can answer that.
She likes
Summer.
She likes 127 and Angel. Diba?
Yeah, Angel. And Summer. And we were talking about this before I left. I like Switch.
Yeah.
I like it. They're older songs, but I also love the new songs now. I just don't know the titles. The new album is fantastic. Beautiful songs. And I especially love that Mark is singing now. Mark Lee. So, oh my, everybody loves Mark. Mark is the one na nakausap ni Yeli ng matagal nung nakilala namin yung NCT 127. Incidentally, you have to say thank you to Tita Vice, Yeli.
Yes.
Again, now live. Because when we were watching NCT 127, I was the one that sent Tita Vice Ganda a text message to please text Ryan Bang and ask if there was if it was possible for us to meet them. And it was Tita Vice that made an effort to really call Ryan and say they're there. And then it was because of Tita Vice and Ryan Bang. So you better thank Tita Vice now.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, Boogs!
Who's that?
Boogs is me.
I'm missing also all the other, ayan.
Say hi.
Oh my God.
In Atta's friend.
Oh, someone's watching from France. Hello! Oh, carbon copy daw kita, anak. Mas maganda lang siya talaga. Mas maganda lang. I love you, Jen S. Jessa 17. Uy, ayan, nahuli ko. Ayan. Binibining Geda. What can you say that Temin's back? I just said, kanina my baby cheese is back. I'm so happy my Temin's back. 4 na ulit sila. Namimiss ko lang talaga yung bias ko. Five forever. SHINee 5 forever. And honey, what song of mine can you sing? Kahit kapraso lang. Oh, galing-galing mo. Ano ka ba? Yung high school nga, when you sang high school sa Gabay Guro, Diyos ko, boses ko yun ng 14 ako. Eksakto, nagulat ako eh. Nagulat ako doon eh. Diba?
Nakakaya naman, matupot niya sa... Okay.
Ano ba to? Diyos ko po, nanay ko. Hello sa Malaysia! Nakita ko yun. And New Zealand! How are you? Diyos ko, ang bilis. Ayan. Okay, honey. Okay.
Okay.
Or what NCT?
No, I mean, I did this a few days ago sa live ko. I sang Between Walang Ningning.
I have not... Oh, honey, can you do that part? Sige, dali.
Which one?
What you sang? Sing part of it.
Until the chorus.
Sige, sing,
No!
dali.
A cappella. Okay.
Ariel, Daniela, Sofia. Okay.
Wait. Let me put some backing.
Excuse me. Okay.
Okay. What is this? Ah!
Okay.
Oh my God.
You sing.
Wait lang.
Oh, someone said speak English, please. Okay, as much as we can. Thank you. Because we also have a Filipino following. But I'd love, yeah.
Okay. This is so...
My
don't know
favorite
the rules.
hairdresser is the one that cuts my hair is Malka from Salon de Manila. Salon de Manila actually is really good. And then hairstylist is Beyonce, si Jeffrey Aromin. Yan, okay. Honey, okay, go.
This is, I have to listen
It's
to
pretty
it. I don't know.
cold here, so
Okay.
I'm coughing. Okay.
Wait. Oh, you said singing now. Hold on. I'm so shy.
No,
Wait.
you're my baby. Okay, go.
Kung minsan ang pangarap habang buhay itong hinahanap.
This is the first time I'm hearing her sing it. Okay. Yeah.
Napagtataka.
Dalawa ay naging isa.
Hindi, iba yung...
Ay, hindi.
Napagtataka. Wait, sabi ko,
I think I was... Anyway, go ahead.
nabi ko lang yung lyrics. Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
Nalimot ko rin yung ako, anak.
So, okay. It's... No, kasi it's the same verse eh, pero iba yung like specific lyrics.
Okay.
So, kung minsan ang pangarap habang buhay itong hinahanap, bakit nga ba nakapagtataka pag ito ay nakamtan mo na, bakit may kulang pa? Okay.
Mga bituin, aking narating, ngunit langit ko pa rin ang iyong piling. Kapag tayong dalawa'y naging isa, kahit na ilang laksang bituin, di kayang pantayan ating ningning.
Go.
Salutin mo
Ako ng
ang iyong
pagmamahal.
Parang kita na di magtatagal.
I'm trying to remember the second voice again. Okay.
Bituing walang dingding. Kung kapato'y walang paglahong mong pagtingin. Oh my God.
Itago mo ako sa lilim ng iyong pagmamahal. Limutin ang mapaglarong kinang tagumpay. Sa piling mo ngayon ako'y bituing walang ningning. Nakukublit kami sa liwanag at kislap.
Yun
Ng
together.
aspa
Ng ating pag
hindi pa performance level yan, ha? Pero magaling kumanta si Miel. Narinig nyo lagi si Casey at si Kaki. Si Miel magaling kumanta rin. Yan, may gulay. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is my daughter, Miel. She's 18. She just got accepted into her dream college. She got a merit scholarship. She was awarded it without asking for it. I am so darn proud of her. And grabe talaga. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you, honey.
Thank you.
And I know you miss Ate. I know you miss Ate Kaki, your best friend in the world.
I do so much.
Oh, wait. Bining, Eda. I'm the one who gave you the gasoline keychain in your Melbourne. Oh, yes! Yes, I still have it. It's with me. Actually, it's with me. Or I made, because I'm supposed to make it sabit in one of my bags. Okay, that's right. I remember her. That was so sweet. You know, when I meet people, they give me stuff of shiny. Like someone gave me a shiny keychain. She gave me a sticker. People are like that to me, honey. But now it's always Kishi. It's always Kim Ki-boom because remember we thought Minho was coming.
Hindi pa ba?
He didn't get tuloy last January. Yeah, I got so sad. And then I thought he was coming March. Sabi ko, ano ba naman March? Wala ako. Nasa States ako. Hindi ko natuloy siya. And thank you, Joanna Lopez. Uy, thank you. Sana rin magkita tayo sa personal. Yeah, we can't say exactly what college he's going to. Just for her privacy. Like si Kaki, we haven't really announced, diba, na ganon. Salvatore, Garav. Oh, yeah. Yes, when can you meet me? Are you Spanish or ano? Salvatore, then? Yeah, it depends. Well, if you're in Spain, Yeli has a cousin who's in college in Spain. And we really I want to take the kids to Europe. So if you're there, I hope that we can meet up. Or if you're in the Philippines, maybe if you DM or, yeah, she's going to college in the States. That passed what I saw. Okay. I love you so much too, Janice, Andrew. It's fast, honey, but can you see?
Yeah.
You have to read faster because my eyes are,
I think, Mommy, I might go live na on TikTok.
Daya naman.
Kaya mo naman mag-join dun eh.
Paano? You teach me how to join. I'll join you in TikTok. So they can go to Ponyo Film, at Ponyo Film in TikTok. We will continue this there.
Ay, napa-request to join. Or
Is
something.
there a button?
Yes. But also,
so I'll follow you on TikTok and then I'll open your TikTok and then there's a request to join.
yeah, I can invite you. Okay, I can invite.
Goody. Better.
Oh.
You know naman, Mommy is low tech.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah. I
Go na lang
love you, Bam.
my account, Mommy, and then check if I'm going live na. Tapos you can click on my profile.
Okay, honey. That's where I click your profile.
Yeah.
Okay, honey. I love you, my yeye. I'll see you next week. I'm going home na. Uwi na po ako next week. O magla-live po kami. Tutuloy namin to sa TikTok ni Yeli. At Ponyo Film. Yun po ang kanyang TikTok account. Okay? See you there. We love you. See you guys. Love you. God bless you.